What's going on, guys? It's me, Kevin, aka Fit Man Cook, and today for Fueling Gains, we are firing up the slow cooker to make this delicious sweet and sour chicken, perfect for your weekly meal prep. Let's get to it. Add chopped chicken breast to a bowl and sprinkle in arrowroot starch. Mix it together, then set aside. For the sauce, squeeze in fresh orange, add orange zest, ginger, garlic, liquid aminos, honey, sriracha, rice vinegar, and sesame oil. Stir it up, then set it aside. Set a nonstick skillet on medium-high and add in olive oil, and once the oil is hot, add the chicken. You're gonna sear the chicken for about 6 minutes until the outside is brown. Add the chicken to a crock pot, then pour in the sauce. Cook on low heat for 2 to 4 hours. About 30 minutes before the cooking cycle ends, mix in the arrowroot with a little of the sauce, then add it back to the crock pot. Cook for remaining time. Garnish and enjoy. Here's the macro breakdown. This has been Fueling Gains with Bodybuilding.com. Remember to come back next week because we are keeping it healthy, but never ever boring. Boom!
Very good.
Thank y'all for watching. Make sure that you smash that like button and ring that bell so that you don't miss out on any more tasty content.